Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of BioDelivery Sciences International Inc. Ticker symbol is BDSI, and from an average volume of 1.11 million, the volume for the last traded day was 12 million, more than 12 million. So sharp increase in the volume, 12 times increase in the volume we have here. Market cap $330 million. Price to earnings look okay, 11 times. Price to book 2.66 times. So valuation front it is fine. Most importantly, if you're looking at the fundamentals look quite good. Okay, everything is positive, some are in green, but the overall fundamentally things look good on terms of profitability, on terms of EPS, on terms of margins. Apart from that, the institutional are holding 68%, insiders are holding insider ownership is nearly 1.7, so combining both these things nearly 70% we have here. So this looks, all in all, this looks quite good. And even though the stock has corrected in the half year performance, the quarterly performance is quite down, but it is not down and out like other stocks where from the 52-week high the stock is down by 70-80%. It is hardly down by 30 or 33% to be precise. So in that sense this looks quite stable. Okay, things are definitely looking quite stable, and this is one of those stocks which which one should look at in terms of volatile market. So when the market is volatile, you need to find some company which is less impacted by the volatility, because you cannot control the price movement, but what you can control is the volatile movement. Now moving forward what we have here. So the latest we have here is a downgrade by AC Wainwright from buy to neutral, and their target price has moved from $6 to $4.5. So this is what we have here. Apart from that, insider transaction, if you have, so if you are looking at the insider transaction, there will be some good buys in the month of May, then option has been exercised, then there is another buy in the month of November and in December as well. So there are buying that are happening from the internal members. So this is a good indication as far as the price is concerned. Apart from that, let's see why the stock is up over here. So BioDelivery has shown consistent revenue growth, and the company is heavily dependent on the future of its lead therapy. So I think we have get the gist of it. And the company, which is mainly focusing on pain management and neurology therapies, saw its big one-day rise in years after it received a favorable ruling on two patents for its pain therapy, Belbuca, according to a report by the Bloomberg Law. So this is what we have here as far as the recent news is concerned, and because of which the stock has moved quite significantly in the last trading session. So let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's happening over here. So this is the chart we have here for the stock BioDelivery. Now BioDelivery Sciences, if you're looking at the overall chart, because this is a long-term chart and we have quite a decent amount of data from 2003 onwards. So the overall chart looks like it's been trading in between a big range. Okay, so if you're looking at the chart, what we have here, so on the upside you have this limitation, and the upper end of the range is capped in between 7.3 and we have 8.5 on the upside, and on the downside if you are looking at the trend, so that's what I mean. It does not give you much return, that's for sure. If you want to look at this chart, you can't expect any big move until and unless the stock is saying so. But this is one of those examples where you can have a very good fundamental, and in terms of price movement you are not getting anything. So this you can't explain this. It's all about market and where the money is moving. So right now what we have here is 2.97 as your immediate support, and consider 2.57 as your stop loss. Don't go below these two levels, but beyond that you have two more to look at, which is 2.14 and 1.5. On the upside you have two specific targets, 7.3 and 8.56 or 8.6. If it is moving or if it started trading beyond 8.6, then consider this as a big breakout. In that case, the big target we have here is 18 or $19, but this is just going to be one hurdle. Beyond that, you will definitely see some big moves because the overall range is in between 1.5 and 8.6. So wait for the stock to cross this move, and there is no timeline because this has been trading in between this range for the past 16 or 17 years. So until and unless the stock moves beyond this range, you can't say that this is the time or this is the place where the big breakout will happen. So stay inside the range. Let's wait for the stock and its move, and if this time it's going to make a breakout, you know where is your next target, and beyond that we have to reanalyze it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.